I am excited. I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a boy smart doll. Wasn't going to get one, wasn't going to get one. Well, you know how it is. Now I want them all. Well, I always want all of the smart dolls, but I always say they're not $89 dolls. I get very excited when I order a smart doll, whether it comes from Culture Japan or whether it comes from eBay. I love them. These dolls are made so well. Quality. Before he came, I took the Danny Chu pattern off of the site and I tried to make a muscle shirt and a pair of shorts. Now, I knew when I made them, they're going to be too big. I didn't finish the back because I thought it's not going to work. That looks like it's going to fit an 18-inch doll, of which I have a boy for. But I also made a wig cap, and I had bought a wig cap pattern and had to tweak it. It was supposed to be for a smart doll. I did exactly I printed it out correct. Everything was correct, but it was big. I mean, all the way around, it was big. So I'm tweaking the pattern, and I'm afraid this is too small, but I'm working on it. Darren 3D printed this bust. This is actually a head holder for your floating heads of smart dolls, but he printed a face or head and the head cap and glued it together for me, which worked out perfect. I made a wig and I'm really proud of it, and I'll show that in a video very soon. I love it, and I actually bought my wig a body to do the full custom and keep it out all the time because I really like it. But this got a little small, but I wanted to show you my ideas for this boy, and we'll see if...
where you end up, huh?
Yeah. All right, here we go. I always talk about the box when I get them out. These boxes are incredible. They're made so well, I saved them. And I put everything back in them, and then I put a rubber band around it. These, you get another box inside that's equally as nice. And inside of it are your instructions to take care of the doll. Some of it's comical. And your stand. I always pull my stand out and put this back inside this box. I don't know what, should I put the wig on him or wait? I don't know if I'm going to put this wig on, but your wig is in here. Normally, I pull out the wig, I save the stuffing, the net, and this. I put it back in, and I leave it inside.
You don't want to wig him now and
I don't know.
replace it later?
No, I guess so. Let's do that. Let's go ahead and put this on him. I am planning to change his character to American Indian. I think he looks, we'll get him out and see, but I think this skin tone is perfect. Oh, wait a minute. I want to save this too. You want to put your wigs, stuff them. Otherwise, if you put them away and something gets on top, you can crease them. And if you do that, they never look the same, especially if it gets off-centered. It looks funny. Okay, let me set this box aside now that I have this out of it. And that'll go, like I said, back in my bigger box. And every doll comes with a tote bag. Be seen with the smart doll so that you can conveniently take your smart doll places. I always tell the story. I met Nicole and John from Not the Cool Dolls. They sell smart doll items on Etsy, and I met them because they were carrying a smart doll. And guess what? What did we decide? 7 miles from us? Yep. They live about 7 miles from us. How amazing. I never would have met her. Otherwise, met them. And we've had lunch with them, and I count her as a friend. They're called Not the Cool Dolls. I tell her all the time, Not the Cool Dolls, I'll just say but, because they are the coolest couple, and they are so much fun. And I tell her all the time, the more I'm around you people, the better I like you. Look at this boy. Woo hoo 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 hoo. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I like him. Oh, I like him. Ooh, it's got shoulders like yours. And he's got the broad shoulders too. I really like that. Oh, and he's so soft and squishy. There is a frame within this doll that actually has a spine. They click when you move their joints so that you know that everything is connected up right. He is a handsome, stunningly handsome. I want to, I have a black wig and I'm thinking 2 braids is what I'm thinking. But I mean, he's not going to wear traditional wear every day. I always take the underwear off. I don't like the bulkiness underneath the clothing I put on them. And they're dolls, they don't need modest. I will put that back in the box. Let's see how off I was making a pattern for trunk style shorts. Oh, he is. People have said that they're different to dress because it's the, what is it called? Fabuzi?
Soft.
Is it called Fabuzi though? Soft vinyl is what it is. And man, it is soft. He is squishy soft. Woo, woo, woo. I just want to pinch his butt. Woo, he's so sexy. You know what? I just made these to check the size and such. That isn't awful. I didn't make them real well, but it isn't awful. See about the shirt. Oh, let me not be off on that either and make me look better than, look what I made my 18-inch. Oh, that's not awful. By the time I add that, I would like this a little closer in. But you know what? It's not as awful as I thought it was going to be. So at least he has something to wear. Oh my God, he's so cute. Oh, his hands. Ooh, he's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, Dory, I can see why you have these in every color. I get it now. I love him. I absolutely, oh my God. I'm going to change the wig. I don't hate the wig, but I have other ideas. He is in coffee, not cocoa. He is coffee. And don't make too much fun. This is what I call a first go. And what I do is I just hurry and throw the pattern that I make together so I can, it's a test. And I don't hate it. I would like for this to be cut more masculine. I'd like more of a V, don't you think?
Yeah.
And, but I could certainly make these longer and have a pants pattern, make them longer and tighter and have a stain resistant undergarment. Oh my goodness, I really, really like him. And as everyone says that gets him, wait till my Smart Doll girls see him. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Oh, I wanted to add that I bought him on sale. I was very surprised to see him on sale. And I had been looking at the tea, this same doll in tea, and I just didn't buy. And then this one came up, and Danny kept adding more of the teas till he didn't when I decided I would like one. But then he came up, and for what I want to do, I think his skin tone is perfect. I'm very excited. Anyway, we got him on sale. He was over $100 off the regular price. And I am so glad I did. Thank you, Darren. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and we are live on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Central. We try to make it fun. We try to have a fun video. His eyes do not look like that in person. They looked kind of cross-eyed there where you had them, and this one looked a little higher, but it's not. I think it's his angle. We have trivia with prizes. We talk dollies. We show you some of the animals around our farmette. And we try to make it fun. Come visit us.
He's adorable.
He is.
Congratulations.
Thank you.